We are going to look at using MooMu's multi-outputs starting in AUM. It's very simple. What we shall do is create a new audio track and load an instance of MooMu as in a U3. Let's open this up. We will use one of the example patches in the DAW Instruments folder, Drums 01. We can see stereo VU meters on the audio and out module, and we can hear all our parts via the single channel in a UM. Where we currently have the output of the Mixer 8 module connected to the audio and out module, we shall change this to the post-fader output, as this gives us 16 channels of audio arranged as 8 stereo pairs, one for each input channel on the mixer. We can see on the VU meter all the individual channels, however we can only hear the kick drum, as this is the first channel on the mixer. If we close the MooMu window and return to the mixer, what we shall do is add another audio track. This time we will use the multi-bus audio unit instance and select MooMu. We can hear the clap. We keep repeating this until we have 8 channels. And the final one. We can return to MooMu UI by clicking on any of the channels. You will notice not all the channels have audio. If we open out drum sequence, you will notice 3 of the tracks are muted. Go back to UM. And we can see all our parts on individual tracks. Now we are going to look at multi-track outputs in Logic. We shall start a new project. Start a tracks project. Software MIDI instrument. We will replace the current instrument with MooMu. On the right-hand side, you can see an arrow. So we will choose multi-out 8 stereo. Let's open the MooMu user interface. If we go to our example patches, DAW Instruments Drum Kit 01 multi-outs. So when we press play in Logic, now if we open our mixer, here, on our MooMu channel strip, we have a plus button. Press this 7 times to get a total of 8 buses. Here we have our drum pattern on separate mixer channels. If we want to record this as stems in Logic, we can add 8 audio tracks. Open the mixer. We will see these 8 audio channels. alongside our 8 MooMu outputs. What we need to do is route the audio via buses to the audio channels. So what we will do, we will go to the first channel and select the output, select bus, create a new bus. On the first audio channel, we select the input and select the bus. We repeat this process for all the remaining tracks. Now we have assigned all the audio channels. Now everything's going to a channel. We record and enable all the audio tracks. And we record. Next up is multi-outs in Cubasis. We start a new project. Give it a name. We already have an instrument on the first channel. We shall change that to audio units. MooMu. We shall open the example patch, DAW Instruments, Drum Kit, O1 Multi-Out. Close the user interface. In the preference pane on the left-hand side, under MooMu, we shall see a button, Add 7 tracks. We click this. Now we have all our multi-output tracks. Now we shall show an alternate method of accessing the individual outs, which works in any host. As I am currently in Logic, I shall show it here. We will keep this very simple. We will use a merge module. This will merge up to 16 signals into a single cable, which we can send to the audio and out module. We will add 3 oscillators. Detune them so that we can identify each one. Take a cable from the out of the first oscillator to the merge module. The VU meter is displaying a single channel. Now we have 2 VU meters. And out third. Let's tune that down to make it far less annoying. Opening the mixer, we can see our 3 channels. Various DAWs give varying possible combinations of mono and stereo channels. Using this method gives a finer level of control. For more content, please like and subscribe.